Okay, so today we're going to talk about these Hercules H-901 tires. They're 235 80/16. They're 14 ply, and if you can see here, they're rated at 4,080 pounds per tire at 110 psi cold. I run them at about 100 just because I like to play a little safe. The problem with the factory tires on this two-car Kaufman is they were 10 ply, and the bare minimum weight rating for the 7K axles. So even with these two cars on here, those tires would squat significantly. And you can see these things here, I mean, they are stout. I mean, they're way stronger. I was always concerned about blowing one out and on the highway hitting a big bump. And if you see here, even in the tread on these things are super deep. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. I recommend them to everyone in the business by far. Everyone knows that stock trailer tires, they suck. I actually had these on my old trailer as a 30-foot aluminum gooseneck, and I absolutely loved them. So when I picked up this trailer, it was night and day difference on the tire quality. I mean, even when the trailer was empty and I hit a big bump, you know, they would just squat really bad, even at 80 psi, which was their maximum, and that just wasn't very good. I mean, even these with two cars on here, I came back from, that one was Mannheim, this one was Insurance Auto Auctions, and even though they squat when they hit bumps, but it's not like they're gonna explode. You know, I've had crappy tires explode on me in the past, and these things are way better. I put about 120,000 miles on my other trailer last year, and most of it was with these tires. I got a lot of miles out of them. However, the problem was I kept running over nails, screws, things like that, and I was tearing them up before the tread would wear down. If you can avoid road hazards, these will last a very long time. They're probably arguably one of the best tires on the market. They're a little overkill for the 7K axle. They're like 8,000 pounds rated for a set of two. But rather be overkill than underkill, you know? So that's all I got to say today, and happy hauling.